Today I'm taking a look at the Acer 9-in-1 USB-C hub. I really like the color of it. We got 3 USB-A ports on the side. On the back we got Ethernet, VGA. And then on the left side we got SD, micro SD, HDMI, and USB-C power delivery. And a nice flexible cable, and that is connecting with a USB-C plug. So the first thing I want to do is I want to connect power to the power delivery for this adapter. So that way I can supply power to the computer without having to use the other USB-C port. Then I want to plug in the HDMI to my external monitor. There we go. So that worked right away. That is currently set up, so I can just take my windows. I can drag one to the left, one to the right. So I got my main interface here, and I got whatever I need on this side over there. Now I want to check the speed. So I did pick that up right away, and I'm going to copy 15.7 gigabytes worth of files to that thumb drive. That is just videos and pictures. And we are getting right about 360 megabytes per second. And if I connect an SD card, okay, and it did pick that up right away as well. And I will copy those same files. So we're looking at about 27 megabytes per second with an SD card. I'll do a speed test. I'm going to start with the SD card. So for the best case scenario, sequential 1 megabyte 8 process 1 thread, we're looking at 22 megabytes per second read, 21 megabytes per second on the write. For the worst case scenario, random 4K 1 process 1 thread, looking at about 4 megabytes per second read and 1.5 megabytes per second on the write. So not the fastest speed for an SD card, but it will get the job done. Now I want to see what I can get with a thumb drive. So for the thumb drive, the best case scenario, 1 megabyte 8 process 1 thread, rating 450 on the read and 455 on the write. Worst case scenario, random 4K 1 process 1 thread, 23 and 75. The last thing I want to check, I want to see if the Ethernet adapter works. And it did right here in the bottom corner. We can see that we got the Ethernet connected. So what that means is if you're in a spot where you do not have Wi-Fi, but you do have Ethernet, you can actually get internet with this adapter. So yeah, this thing has a ton of options for connectivity. And the fact that I connect my power right to this and then plug that into my laptop means I can just set my laptop down, plug in that one plug, and I'll have all these ports available. So that is a very nice hub.